is still looking for ways to build halal wealth, pay attention, because AI is changing literally everything. Not just the way we live, but also the way we do business. And if you don't pay attention right now, you might be missing the biggest opportunity ever. As a Muslim revert, one of my businesses did 140k in the last 3 months. Alhamdulillah. Now I moved to the UAE, where the sun is shining and where you can hear the adhan every single day. And I did that by running my own halal AI-driven agency, which may sound very complex, but it actually isn't. I use a system that I call high leverage service delivery. And this is by far the best way, the best module to make 10k plus per month as a Muslim beginner in 2025. And the best part is that you don't need to learn all these complex systems and services or even be the expert in it, because you will be leveraging this module by using other people's skills and implementing AI. And by doing that, you can literally charge thousands of dollars for it in the halal way, while being able to travel and study the deen. For the past 7 years, I made multiple 7 figures using this module, alhamdulillah. But especially right now, with AI coming up to the public, it's easier than ever to run this module and build halal income for yourself. But after I reverted to Islam a couple years ago, I discovered a big problem. I mean, there's a huge lack of examples and assistance in the business world for us Muslims. So many fake gurus and bad courses out there. I mean, making online money is easier than ever. The only problem is that everything contains haram nowadays. So what I did is spending several years doing research and gathering all the information for you to do something that I've never done before. There are a few very important things to keep in mind when setting up your own halal AI-driven agency as a Muslim. And that's exactly why I'm hosting a big virtual event on the 31st of May, where I will show you exactly step by step how I've built my own 7-figure halal AI-driven agency, so you can literally just copy me and do it yourself. Now, don't miss out, apply here, and I'll see you there inshallah.